Hi, I'm just going to do a video on an extreme length nail using the Halo nail foams. I'm also going to do a reverse French, but instead of the white, I'm going to do a pattern on the end using gel polish. So I've applied my rubber base coat and I've cured that in the lamp. So I'm going to go ahead and do my sheer pink for my reverse French, and because I'm doing an extreme length and I want an extended nail bed, I've got quite a bit on here just to add a little bit of length. So I'm just going to start by pressing this down around my cuticle. Making sure I don't touch the skin. I'm going to start to drag this down the nail. I'm just checking my shape as I go. So I want to try and keep these equal on both sides, so the same shape going around. I'm just going to cut a little bit off the edge there, so I can thin this out a little bit. And just start to taper that in a little bit so I can get my white in as well. Making sure you build your wall for your white to push up to. I'm just going to round this off on the edge. So it does look like I'm making a long stiletto nail at the minute. I'm just going to check that on this angle. I'm just going to neaten this line up. Here. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So that's been in the lamp for 60 seconds, and I'm just going to use a nail file and just refine the shape just a tiny little bit, just around the edges, just to neaten that up. So I've just neatened up my shape a little bit around the outside, nice and crisp. So I'm going to add a really thin layer of clear PoliBuild just where I'd put my white around the sides there. So I'm just going to start by putting it on there, and then I'm just going to work it around. So I've got my liquid control, and I'm just going to do the same shape as I would if I was doing the white. Keeping it as thin as possible so that the nail isn't thick at the end. I'm just working it down the sides. If you wanted to, you could have used this as your base layer straight away before you started. I thought I would do it a different way. I'm going to make this a little bit longer. I'm just going to add a little bit more for the sides. It's fine if you go onto the pink, as we're going to be filing this into shape across the top and anyways. Just make sure you keep it thin. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds, sorry. So I've removed my foam and I've just filed my clear into shape. So I'll try to file it as much as I can, and then I'll pop my colour on and I'll cap this and then I'll shape it up some more. So where you can see that I've put my clear on, I've tried to make it the same thickness here as I have on here, and then I'm going to pop some colour on now. So I'm going to go with Halo Seychelles and the Halo Fiji, and I'm just going to do a little ombre. So on one side, I'm going to pop my Seychelles, and I'm going to go right down to the corner. Right up onto that little wall that I've built with the pink. And I'm just going to go halfway. And then with the Fiji, I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to use my lint-free wipe, clean off my colour with some brush cleaner on. And then same as before, when I get to the edge, I'm just going to meet nearly in the middle. I use my ombre brush just to blend them colours in. So I've got my ombre brush and I'm just gonna drag them colours down. Just moving my brush side to side. So once you're happy with that blend, just pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds and cure that. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing again and just repeat this process and just to build up this colour a little bit. So I'm going with my yellow first. And just pull that colour down just about the middle. And then just do the same on the other side with the green again. Fiji. And then I'm just going to meet in the middle, but just not touch the colours so I can blend them in the ombre brush. And then colours. Just keep dragging it down from side to side. And then cleaning your brush if needs be. And I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So with green being the stronger colour there, I'm just going to do another little coat with the yellow just to go over that ombre a little bit more. And make the colours blend. And I'm just going to go with my ombre brush, just drag that in a little bit. And I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now that this gel polish is cured in the lamp, I'm going to cap the colour in clear PoliBuild. So I'm just going to pop that on the nail, use my liquid control and just cap this over. Make sure you cap the sides as well, but when it comes to your filing you don't want to file off any of your colour that you've done. And the same on the other side. So once all that is capped, you can pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I've refined the shape and I've also put some top coat on. Hope this has been a helpful video. Thank you.